Welcome to Transform Your Space, 7 Easy Indoor Gardening Tips for Beginners. Are you ready to turn your home into a green oasis? Let's dive in. Indoor gardening is a fantastic way to bring nature indoors. It can enhance your living space, improve air quality, and boost your mood. Tip number 1. Choose the right plants. Start with low-maintenance plants that thrive indoors, perfect for beginners. The spider plant, known for its air-purifying qualities, it's like having a natural air filter in your home. Pothos, a hardy plant that can tolerate low light, it's practically indestructible. Succulents require minimal watering and thrive in bright light. They're the camels of the plant world. Snake plant, another air purifier that can handle neglect, perfect for the forgetful gardener. Tip number 2. Find the perfect spot. Different plants have different light requirements. Match your plants to the right spots in your home. Succulents and cacti prefer bright, direct light. Think of them as sunbathers. Ferns and philodendrons do well in indirect or low light. They're the shade lovers of the plant world. Tip number 3. Use the right soil. Indoor plants need well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. We recommend avoiding garden soil. It can compact and hinder root growth. You can find specialized soil mixes for specific plant types like succulents or orchids. Your plants will thank you. Tip number 4. Water wisely. Overwatering is a common mistake. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Ensure your pots have drainage holes to prevent water from sitting at the bottom. Nobody likes soggy feet, not even plants. Tip number 5. Maintain humidity levels. Many indoor plants thrive in humid environments. Let's keep them happy. Mist your plants regularly, group them together, or use a humidity tray filled with water and pebbles. Tip number 6. Fertilize appropriately. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Be cautious not to over-fertilize. Too much love can be a bad thing. Tip number 7. Prune and repot when necessary. Regular pruning keeps your plants healthy and encourages new growth. Repotting is necessary when plants outgrow their current pots. Choose a pot that's 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter. Starting an indoor garden can be a rewarding and therapeutic experience, and also transform your space into a lush green haven. Are you ready to start your indoor gardening journey? Visit our shop for beginner-friendly plants and supplies. Share your transformations with us using the hashtag #RootedInSerenity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks for creating your perfect indoor garden, and use hashtag #RootedInSerenity.